Welcome to our updated guide on how to fix Messenger connecting problems on your Android phone. Let's explore the steps to troubleshoot and resolve any connectivity issues you may encounter. First and foremost, check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable and reliable Wi-Fi network or mobile data to facilitate seamless communication through Messenger. If you're experiencing connectivity issues, try restarting the Messenger application. Close the app entirely, and then reopen it to refresh the connection and potentially resolve any issues. For a more comprehensive approach, consider restarting your phone. This simple step can help reset any underlying factors that may be affecting Messenger's connectivity. To address potential app-related issues, clear the app cache and data for Messenger. Access the Settings menu on your Android phone, navigate to the App Settings or Application Manager, locate Messenger, and clear the app cache and data. Remember, clearing data will log you out of Messenger, so ensure you have any important chats backed up. Keep your Messenger app up to date. Check for the latest version in the Google Play Store and update Messenger if a newer version is available. Outdated app versions can sometimes lead to connectivity problems, so staying updated is crucial. Check your device's storage space. Inadequate storage can impact Messenger's performance and contribute to connection problems. Make sure you have sufficient available storage for Messenger to operate smoothly. Lastly, consider enabling or disabling VPN settings on your device. VPN configurations can sometimes interfere with Messenger's connectivity, so adjusting these settings may help resolve any issues you're facing. By following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot and fix Messenger connecting problems on your Android phone, ensuring a seamless messaging experience.